in Raghav's vanity. Raghav, soft smile, voice shaking slightly. Darlings, listen, it's not that bad. So what if you're married? Lots of people get married by accident. Right? No? Okay. Manik, turning sharply. Who brings a real Pandit on a movie set? Raghav. WHO. Raghav, tiny voice, holding cushion tighter. I just wanted authenticity. Nandini, deadly calm, glaring. What's next? Real kidnappers for a climax scene. Raghav sits on the couch in the middle, holding a teacup with trembling hands, eyes wide like a scared puppy, watching them like a tennis match. Raghav, softly, like he's afraid to be heard. Ah, darlings? Maybe we can talk this out? Peacefully? With less murder vibes. Veer came in with an iPad and popcorn. Sir. Whole crew is talking about it. Twitter is already guessing if this was a PR stunt. And people are calling you Pandit of Bollywood now. What do we do? Raghav, soft gasp, horrified. Pandit of Bollywood? But I was aiming for Cupid, darling. Cupid. They suddenly both stare at Raghav, walking toward him in sync like angry lions. Raghav shrinks back on the couch, clutching his teacup tighter. Manik, growling. Fix this. Nandini, deadly sweet. Before I turn this wedding into a murder mystery, Raghav. Raghav, nervous smile, trying to calm them. Haha, of course, my angels, my lovebirds, we'll figure this out. No need to kill me, or each other. He glanced at Veer, mouthing, help me. Veer looked at them and said, people are writing, love is real. One fan wrote a full thread on why you two were meant to be, dot. Nandini, fuming. Meant to be? Meant to murder, maybe. Manik, snapping. Say that again and see what happens. Raghav covers ears like a kid. Raghav, whining. Stop fighting. My therapist said no negativity this month. Veer, cackling. Too late. You guys are officially India's hottest accidental married couple. Raghav, brightening suddenly, eyes twinkling like a true businessman. Wait. This could be good for the film. Nandini, murderously sweet. Raghav. I swear, if you say publicity stunt, I will personally make sure you never make another romance film again. Manik, cracking his knuckles. She means murder, in case that wasn't clear. Raghav, shrinking back on the couch. Haha, my sweet lovebirds, let's not jump to violent conclusions. Look at the bright side. You're Bollywood's new IT couple. Ooh, wedding endorsements incoming. Jewelry ads. Couple interviews. Maybe even a reality show. Nandini, deadpan. Veer, shut up before I turn you into the first sacrifice of my married life. Manik, to Veer. Start running. Raghav, clutching his tea, muttering. Therapist said no stress, therapist said no stress, therapist said. Veer, watching Nandini and Manik glare at each other with a mix of hate and undeniable tension. I give it 3 months before you two either get divorced or actually fall in love. Raghav, perking up suddenly. Oh. Can we make a bet? I love bets. Nandini and Manik, in unison. Raghav, holding up his hands. Fine. No bets. But listen, my little disasters, I mean, darlings, We need to figure this out before the media gets crazier than it already is. Nandini, groaning, rubbing her temples. Fine. What do we do? Manik, arms crossed. And it better not involve pretending to be in love for PR. Raghav, nervous laughter, avoiding eye contact. About that. Raghav, clearing throat, adjusting Gaxi shawl nervously. Okay, before you both throw me out of my own vanity van, hear me out. Nandini, crossing arms. You have 5 seconds before I find something sharp. Manik, cracking his neck. 4. Raghav, yelping, talking fast. The damage is already done. People believe you're married, so why not use it to our advantage? A fake relationship for the cameras. Some low-value interviews, a few public appearances, then, when the film releases, boom. You announce an amicable breakup and move on with your lives. Nandini, laughing humorlessly. You want me to play the role of Manik's loving wife in public? Oh sure, let me just go and drink poison while I'm at it. Manik, mocking. Please. You'd make a terrible wife. Nandini, mock gasp. And you'd make an even worse husband. Raghav, groaning, rubbing his temples. My therapist warned me about people like you. Veer, still scrolling. Ah, boss. The wedding edits are getting crazier. Someone added a childhood enemies to lovers storyline, and oh wow, another person made a full fake documentary about your secret love story. Listen. Just imagine an exclusive interview where you talk about your love story. Nandini, cutting in. Which doesn't exist. Raghav, ignoring her. And maybe a few stolen glances at events, some viral pictures, a few scripted, romantic moments. Manik, interrupting. This is the worst idea you've ever had. Raghav, offended, clutching his chest. Excuse me. My ideas are iconic. Veer, chiming in. To be fair, this idea is giving major Bollywood rom-com energy. Nandini, groaning. I can't believe I'm saying this, but what's the plan? Raghav, innocently. Oh, well, the media will keep hounding you, people will speculate, fans will demand an actual honeymoon vlog. Manik and Nandini, yelling in unison. What? Veer, laughing. Yeah, someone made a full honeymoon itinerary for you guys. Apparently, Maldives is the fan favorite choice. Nandini, massaging her forehead. I hate this. Raghav, sweetly, clasping his hands. So, my dear accidentally married disasters, fake relationship for a few months? Or a full-blown media circus forever? Silence. Nandini, gritting teeth. I need a drink. Manik, sighing in defeat. I hate you, Raghav. Raghav, grinning, clapping hands together. Fabulous. Operation Pretend You Love Each Other starts now. Veer, eating popcorn, smirking. This is gonna be the best thing I've ever witnessed.